That's a giant spinner too. That's like a northern pike spinner. That's about all I throw that thing for. There's a fish. Nice. Yep. That is a better fish. That's a better fish for sure. Yes. That's a way better fish. Watch my man flipping fish. I like it. There it is. That's a good fish. That is a good fish. No, it's not. Doubled up. Doubled up, baby.
Triple up. Triple up.
Oh, yeah, that's not a bad fish. And just like that, his mood has changed, ladies and gentlemen. Hey.